isn't easy. Two hearts slowly breaking. Living the highs and lows. I'm keeping busy. Don't know if we're worth saving. Are we meant to be, or are we second guessing? Would you stay with me if the world was ending?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Jayashree and she's my friend Neha. And जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं the background is very different. So after the lockdown, this is the first time that we are going on a trip. So we are leaving for Goa. अगर जो आपने मेरे पुराने हॉल्स देखे रहेंगे या पिछला वीडियो देखा रहेगा उसमें आपको पता चल गया होगा कि I was supposed to leave for Goa. So here it is and I will be shooting a very small vlog for you guys. So I really hope that you'll enjoy this vlog and yeah, see you in a bit.
If the world was ending.
Hey guys, so finally we have reached Goa and हम लोग actually अभी थोड़ा सा इवनिंग में कहीं तो चिल करने जा रहे हैं. सो देयर इज़ अ प्लेस कॉल्ड ईवा कैफ़े इन अंजुना बीच. तो यहाँ पर तो मैं फ़र्स्ट टाइम जा रही हूँ बट आई हर्ड लॉट ऑफ गुड थिंग्स अबाउट दिस कैफ़े. सो हमने एक्चुअली 2 स्कूटीज़ यहाँ पर हायर की है. So we are 4 people here and we are going to that place and I will also show you the place because देख के तो मुझे ग्रीस जैसी फीलिंग आ रही थी वो प्लेस को देखने के बाद. जब मैंने काफ़ी बार इंस्टाग्राम पे और मैंने गूगल पे भी देखा था, लॉट ऑफ पीपल पोस्टेड पिक्चर्स ऑफ दिस प्लेस एंड पिक्चर्स इतने खूबसूरत थे तो आई एम श्योर दैट प्लेस भी अच्छा ही होगा. सो आई रियली कांट वेट टू शो यू गाइज द प्लेस एंड आई एम वेयरिंग दिस ब्यूटिफुल वाइट ड्रेस विच I bought a month back. ये फर्स्ट टाइम मैं पहन रही हूँ. फाइनली इसका नंबर आ गया. So yeah, let's go.
Into the ocean waves. I don't want
We are just about to reach the cafe and the view is so nice. Whenever I visit Goa, I just love the feel and the vibe of Goa is something different. Yeah, like बहुत ही मज़ा आता है.
I've got some feelings that I've kept inside. Tell me your reason
So we have to remove chapel.
behind. I've got something.
Well, Eva Cafe is this really small Santorini-ish cafe located a little inside the narrowest lanes of Anjuna. So the cafe is really pretty but has accommodation for only 8 or 9 tables. Having a smaller and a little uncomfortable furniture, the view is spectacular though. And there are few steps which lead down to the Anjuna beach from the cafe itself. Now coming back to the food that we had was really yum and also the cocktails were amazing. French and Spanish music played at the cafe goes so well with the cafe vibe. We had such great time there.
You'll make light. I'll keep swimming right across the sea. Won't stop dreaming of what we could be.
Alright guys, so this is where we are staying. So ये अपार्टमेंट का नाम है कोजी अपार्टमेंट एंड लुक हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज़. I'll just give a quick tour. Hi, that's me. And this is the living area and here's a TV right here. It's like a complete apartment, 2 BHK apartment, and as you enter, this is the first room. Ignore our luggage, yeah. And that's me. Hi. It's a huge bedroom. This is the master bedroom. And this is another room.
Fly away to the sky, shining bright like a sunshine, dreaming high like the stars, dancing through without clouds. And everything we search a meaning, every cloud has silver lining. As long as you are still breathing, don't waste your time, keep fighting. Even
Hey guys, so this is our day 2 at Goa और हम यहाँ पर आए हैं लंच के लिए. So there is a place in Ashman Beach which is called La Plage and काफ़ी beautiful सा place है. We'll see that in a minute. और यहाँ पर आगे there is a place जहाँ पर बहुत ही beautiful से beach fair मिलते हैं and they are little expensive though but it's worth visiting. So next time when you come here, so do visit that place. वो थोड़ी देर बाद हम देखेंगे but फिलहाल I am starving. We all are starving, so let's go.
नहीं सीधा जाओ, go down the steps and then you take a left. हाँ.
When you say I'm the one, you're so easy to love. You're easy to love. Yeah, you're so easy to love.
Well, it's signature French cuisine, beautiful beach view and a lovely ambience make La Plage a Goan culinary treasure. Secluded beaches, authentic French food and stunning sunsets. This is the one place that should be on every traveler's wish list. Apart from their well-mannered seating, this place is known for their warm hospitality and safe service. So we plan to order this chicken burger and barbecue boneless chicken leg with Caribbean sauce. That's it. We're gonna try this and then see. Well, the another door of the beach restaurant leads you to the beach itself. So after having your meal, you can enter the beach and have some fun with your friends.
You're so pretty, everything I'm thinking. Baby, could you help me 'cause I'm freezing? If you want to see me, it's 'cause you miss me. You say that you will love me every night and day, and I promise you that I will do the same. I know that nobody will love you the same way.
Hey guys, Phil, I'm sorry मैं दोपहर के बाद ज़्यादा व्लॉग नहीं कर पाई बिकॉज़ हम 3 बजे के टाइम पे आ गए थे और सो गए, 3 घंटे की अच्छी नींद ली। अब हम बाहर जा रहे हैं थोड़ा सा क्लबिंग करने, बिकॉज इट्स माई हस्बैंड्स बर्थडे। सो हम जा रहे हैं क्लब कबाना, एंड अपेरेंटली क्लब कबाना कल ही खुला है, लाइक उनका ग्रैंड ओपनिंग था, बिकॉज हर जगह पे दीज गाइज वर सेलिंग द पैम्पलेट्स। हमने देखा कि ठीक है, एक दिन चाहते हैं क्लबिंग, देखते हैं क्या है। कभी गई नहीं हूँ मैं क्लब कबाना, और मैंने बहुत सुना है, लाइक उसका एम्बियंस तो बहुत अच्छा है, फोटोज़ में तो दिख रहा था। लेट्स सी हाउ इट इज़। सो अभी एक्चुअली हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया है, इट्स 11 PM और हम लोग अभी निकल रहे हैं। ओके, ऑल्सो वहाँ पर उसका चार्जेस कुछ पर कपल 3000 है। सो लेट्स सी how it's gonna be like, and I'll just show you what I'm wearing. Alright, so this is what I'm wearing right now. ये मैंने ड्रेस लिया था from H&M long back, like I think last year Jan में शायद लिया रहेगा. So I will be wearing this, and I'm wearing these black heels. Sorry for the mess, पीछे जो भी है. Anyways, बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया है, सो मैं भी ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूँगी, एंड आई विल जस्ट गेट गोइंग. Well, Club Cabana is undoubtedly Asia's #1 nightclub located at the top of Arpura Hill. It is also called as Nightclub in the Sky. Well, this place is to party throughout the week. As I said, the entry charges for couple is 3000 rupees. On Wednesdays, they have ladies' night, that is, the girls can enter for free. They have an all-night swimming pool, large outdoor terrace with panoramic view, makes this nightclub a unique place. They have regular performances with theme parties as well.